Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. Today I'm going to present some of the photos that I have taken over this semester for the course. To begin with, the first photo is displaying dead trees in a foggy afternoon. I decided to take this photo to emphasize on the weather. The aperture of this photo was 1:5 and the ISO was 400. The next few images are showing the different composition techniques such as rule of thirds, pattern, point of view, etc. This image displays the intersecting lines of a road where I applied the rule of thirds. It had a shutter speed of 1:400 and an aperture value of 1:5. Moving on, this image is a walking bird for children where I applied point of view. I was viewing the park nearby and I saw this object and took the photo. The next image shows a tree photo taken from a completely different perspective. I like this photo very much because of the yellow color on top of its leaves. The sun was setting and its rays had lightened the top part of the tree, making it look amazing. I used pattern in this photo, where I zoomed into the bark of a tree and used sunlight as lighting device. The aperture for the photo was 1:16 and the ISO was 3200. The next two images shows freeze motion photography, where I took the photos while my classmates were playing. This one is one of my favorites as I was able to capture the photo while the ball was on air. The person in the image also liked this photo too. The next two images show abstract photography. The first one is where I took the image of a marble tile. I was looking for objects to find when I noticed this abstract pattern on the surface of a table and decided to take the photo. The second image shows the sides of the stairs in our house. I was experimenting with my camera when I noticed this texture and used fluorescent mode from white balance option to take the image. After that, I cropped the background to produce this amazing image. The image was taken for abstract photography where I took the image of a doormat. It was dark brown in color, so I changed the white balance and exposure settings to make a brighter shade. The next photos show product photography, where I placed a flashlight behind the object to make the background colors. I used a yellow object and placed it on top of the flashlight to get the yellow color. I tried experimenting with a few other colors too, and finally chose yellow. For this image, I placed a blue object on top of the flashlight, which resulted in the blue light in the background. That is the end of my presentation, and I hope that you enjoyed watching it. Thank you.